Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. So first of all, what we have to do is open our Shopify store on your computer or your browser. So right here in the dashboard of your Shopify, you need to searching in the searching bar. So just click on searching bar and after that you see the option recommended apps. So just click here. After that you see that screen and all you need to do is scroll down and you see in the bottom side of the screen that says Shopify App Store. So just click on here to go to the Shopify store. After that you see many apps in the Shopify App Store, but you need to search in the search bar for WhatsApp chat and find that at right here, the WhatsApp chat, Telegram and more from our theme. After that you just need to install that app on your Shopify, and after installing you go to that page here, the page of the app, and right here all you need to do is clicking on the green button in the middle of our screen that says customize app. After clicking customize app, you see right here in the left side of our screen all the settings of the app. You can customize your WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. So the first thing you need to do is enable the WhatsApp chat, and after that manage all the settings of your WhatsApp button on your Shopify. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.